Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming Bluetooth is available and you have admin rights. Open Start, type Settings, then go to Devices, right arrow Bluetooth and other devices. Once there, make sure Bluetooth is listed and turned on so Windows shows the icon. If prompted for an admin password later, enter it. This prevents permission errors. Now minimize distractions and keep the Bluetooth pane open. This is where you'll make changes and immediately verify the icon disappears after each step. You'll now remove the icon using System Settings. Right-click the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings, then scroll to the notification area and click Turn System Icons on or off. Locate Bluetooth and toggle it off. This stops the icon from appearing in the system tray. If Bluetooth disappears from the list, use Settings right arrow Devices to disable Bluetooth temporarily. Make sure to check the tray after each change so you know which action removed the icon, and proceed only when you confirm the result. Finish by restarting Explorer or signing out, which forces the taskbar to refresh and apply your changes. If the icon persists, open Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, and either update the driver or right-click and choose Disable Device to hide the icon, then reboot. Make sure to re-enable the driver if you still need Bluetooth. If problems continue, the one key troubleshooting tip is to reboot after any driver change. This clears cached tray states and usually resolves link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.